Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I have a surprise for you.
Really?
Good day, welcome to Sabay Manila Hotel. What can we do for you?
We would like a room reservation for 2 people.
Sure, sir. Can we know what's the name of the guest?
Arjun Nunay Pinasipagpun.
Excellent, sir Nunay. Can we know your address, contact number, and email?
From Concepcion Tarlac, and my contact number is 0907-409-7347. And my email account is arjunnunaysnumag@gmail.com.
Mr. Nunay, can we know the specific date of your room reservation so we can check our system to know if there's an available room?
We will come on May 21, 2025.
Excellent, sir Nunay. Please give us a minute to check our PMS for the available rooms on May 21, 2025.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you for the wait, Mr. Nunay. We have 3 room categories available on May 21, 2025. We would like to ask if there is any special service request you would like, Mr. Nunay.
We prefer Italian food. Yes, we would like to order a pasta. I can tell my credit number is 400-123-456-7012.
Good day, this is the front office of Sabay Manila Hotel. We would like to ask if there's an available table for 2 people on May 21, 2025 around 7 p.m. at an Italian restaurant.
Hello, I'm pleased to tell you that there is an available table for 2 people on May 21, 2025 around 7 p.m. Can we ask if there's a specific food that guest wants?
Our guests would like to reserve a pasta if you may.
We're glad to serve our guests. I would like to repeat our dinner reservation on May 21, 2025. We will have 2 guests around 7 p.m. They would like to reserve a pasta.
That would be correct. Thank you. Mr. Nunay, we would like to ask if you still have anything we can help about.
We would like to make an announcement. We would like our room to have a romantic design for our anniversary. I also want to request a dinner reservation of 7 p.m.
Excellent, Mr. Nunay. We would like to have a recap of the room reservation. I'm confirming your room reservation for Mr. R.D. Nunay and Ms. Ashley Pagil on May 21, 2025 in Runway Suite with a room rate of 3,193 pesos per night. Your room reservation number is SVY00123. We have guaranteed your reservation with credit card guarantee. Please note that our cancellation policy is a flexible cancellation policy. If cancelled or modified up to 72 hours before date of arrival, no fee will be charged. If cancelled or modified later, 50% of the total price of the reservation will be charged. We have also noted your special request for dinner reservation. Check-in time is 2 o'clock p.m. and check-out time is 12 o'clock p.m. We would like to make it clear that the reservation is still tentative and not confirmed reservation until further action. We want to provide an option for tentative room reservation. We will hold your room reservation for 3 days.
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Sabay Manila Hotel.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Sabay Manila Hotel. Please follow me in front desk.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Sabay Manila Hotel.
Good day, ma'am and sir. Welcome to Sabay Manila Hotel. What can we do for you?
We would like to check in.
Do you have a room reservation, sir and ma'am?
Yes, we have a room reservation.
Sir, can we ask your name and the letter of reservation?
I'm R.D. Nunay and this is my proof of reservation.
Sir Nunay, this is your registration card and please fill it up. Thank you.
Okay, I'm done.
Thank you. Mr. Nunay, please give us a minute to encode the information in the PMS. Please have a seat. can you tell to Mr. Nunag and Ms. Marquil to take their role, please?
Okay, ma'am. Ms. Marquil and Mr. Nunag, please proceed to front desk.
As the payment method, Mr. Nunag and Ms. Marquil, would you like to pay it by cash or by card?
Would you like to pay my credit card?
Thank you. Here's your credit card, sir. Thank you. Ms. Pagpil and Mr. Nunag, this is your key and key card. Ms. Pagpil and Mr. Nunag, we will inform you an hour before the checkout time, so you have enough time to prepare. Thank you for choosing Savoy Manila Hotel. We hope you enjoy and have a pleasant stay here.
for your order, sir.
Flowers and roses, sir.
Good day, Mr. Nurag and Ms. Pagkil. This is the front office. We are calling to remind you that you still have 1 hour to prepare for your checkout.
Wait lang, may tumatawag.
Okay, thank you for calling.
Do you want any assistance to help from handling your luggage?
Oh yes, we do. Thank you.
Okay, sir. The bellboy will help you whenever you're ready. Thank you. Good day, ma'am and sir.
We are here to check out, please.
Good day, ma'am and sir. To proceed checking out, we would like to have a short recap of all your expenses during the stay. In check-in process, you paid already 1,593 pesos, and for your remaining balance, it's 1,593 and 2,500 pesos for your food and beverage. May we ask what kind of payment do you prepare?
We prepare credit card.
Excellent, sir. Here's your credit card, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am and sir. Your payment is done, and for the last process, we would like to remind you to surrender your key card.
Sure.
Thank you, ma'am and sir. We're happy to serve you.
Thank you, Ma'am and Sir, for staying with us. We wish you a pleasant day and we're looking forward to serve you again. Thank you for choosing Sabah Manila. Please come.
Thank you for choosing Subway Manila Hotel. Please come again.
Prepare credit.
Yes, can you tell to Mr. Pagil? Pagil and Mr. Nunag, we will Ito kasi yan! Ma'am and sir, welcome to Savoy.
Joshua Garcia.
Wait,
Yeah.
Oh, yan na. Nakat na siya, guys. Kakainin na nila yung sobra. Wala pa man. Baka ko... Oy, grabe. Inuwi.